Hello friends, welcome to Savveggie. Today we are going to learn Mysore Masala Dosa recipe. Mysore Masala Dosa much different than the Mumbai Mysore Masala Dosa, and the recipe is like the Mysore Masala Dosa served in Bengaluru and the Mysore restaurants. The difference is of the batter. The Mysore Masala Dosa served in Mumbai is crisp and white like the regular Masala Dosa, whereas the ones served in Mysore are crisp from outside and have a soft porous bite as well as texture. They have a nice golden brown color too, and the soft texture and golden brown color is due to the addition of cooked rice or poha, that is flattened rice adding, and we can use Sona Masuri rice for making the batter. It tastes heavenly good and very much liked by everybody. So we'll see how to prepare this. Ingredients required for the dosa batter are 2 cups regular rice, half cup urad dal, and half cup cooked rice or poha, and 1/4 tablespoon methi seeds, that is fenugreek seeds, and salt as required, and water is required for grinding the batter. And now ingredients for the potato filling. We need 2 large potatoes boiled, 3/4 cup chopped onions, and 1 inch ginger chopped, 1 or 2 garlic optional, and 12 to 15 curry leaves, 1 green chili chopped, half or 2/3 tablespoon black mustard seeds, half or 2/3 tablespoon turmeric powder, a pinch of red chili powder, and a pinch of hing, and half tablespoon lemon juice, 1/4 or half cup water, 1 or 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon oil, and salt as required. And ingredients for the red chutney. We need 2 tablespoon roasted chana dal, and 4 to 5 garlic, 2 to 4 dry red chilies soaked in warm water for 30 to 40 minutes. Adjust as per your taste preferences and depending on the types of chilies. For a hotter version, add 3 to 4 dry red chilies, and 1 tablespoon seedless tamarind, and 1/4 cup onion roughly chopped, and salt as required, and some water to grind the chutney. Coming to directions to prepare. Preparing the dosa batter. We can rinse the rice and urad dal in water for 3 to 4 times. Soak the rice, urad dal, and methi seeds in a large bowl in enough water for 4 to 5 hours. In a wet grinder, grind the rice, urad dal, methi seeds, and cooked rice or poha with enough water. And after that, grind till you get a fluffy and a smooth consistency of the batter. And take the dosa batter in a large bowl and mix salt and cover the bowl loosely and let the batter ferment for 7 to 9 hours. And now coming to preparing the potato palia, that is filling. First, boil the potatoes in a steamer or a pressure cooker till they are fully cooked, and peel and either just crumble them with your hands or chop them, and heat oil in a pan or a kadai, and first fry the mustard seeds till they splutter. Now add the chopped onions and salt till they become soft, and after that add the ginger, garlic, green chilies, curry leaves, and salt for some 20 to 30 seconds. And now add the turmeric powder, red chili powder, and hing, and stir for 2 to 3 seconds, and add the potatoes. Stir and add water plus salt, and cover and simmer the potatoes till the water dries up. And lastly add the lemon juice and stir well. Add coriander leaves and mix well with the potatoes, and keep the potato palia aside. Now coming to preparing the red chutney. Take all the ingredients in a small blender or a chutney grinder. Add very little water and grind to smooth paste, and then keep aside. Now coming to preparation of Mysore Masala Dosa. Batter is fermented and very much ready to prepare dosa now. Make the potato stir fry and keep ready. And now heat a frying pan at the tawa and spread the dosa batter. If using non-stick pan, then don't spread oil. Now sprinkle some oil on the sides of the dosa and cover the dosa with a lid and let it cook. When the top side is cooked, spread some more oil if you prefer on the dosa and spread the red chutney on the dosa all around. Top the dosa with the potato filling and spread it lightly. And fold the Mysore masala dosa. It's very much ready now. Serve Mysore masala dosa hot with coconut chutney and vegetable sambar. Mysore masala dosa is really absolutely addictive, comforting fare and a classic among South Indian breakfast recipes. Mysore masala dosa recipe is easy to make, though it is a labor-intensive breakfast dish. And this addictive rich dosa has a crisp exterior and the spongy interior is liberally smeared with butter or ghee, over which a layer of red chutney is smoothed and finished off with potato masala, folded in half and served with accompaniments like sambar and coconut chutney. Really tempting us to have it. And the best way to finish off this ultimate South Indian breakfast indulgence is a cup of strong filter coffee. I hope you try to prepare this and enjoy the Mysore masala dosa prepared at home with your family. Thank you for watching and keep watching my videos and like and subscribe.